Give me 3 minutes and I'll teach you how to make ChatGPT in Unity. First, in an empty Unity project, we're going to need to import a package that allows us to talk to ChatGPT through Unity. There are many packages that allow us to do this, but my favorite one you can find in the description, made by Sarge. Now you're going to want to copy this GitHub link, go to Window, Package Manager, press the plus icon in the top left, add package from Git URL, and paste that link in from the description. Press add. Alright, now let's go to samples and let's import the ChatGPT sample. Alright, so now that we have imported the package, next thing we're going to want to do is to go to platform.openai.com, create an account if you have not already. In this case, I already have an account. Alright, so top right, go to dashboard. On the left, go to API keys. Let's create a new secret key. You can just name it whatever you want. And so this is a secret key, so you're not supposed to share with other people, but in this tutorial, I'm just gonna delete it after the video, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, now that we have our API key, let's just paste it into a tab so we don't lose it. So from the description of this video, remember this GitHub link? Yeah, you can put that into your browser actually. You can see this GitHub page. Alright, go to the README file. Alright, so here's how we save our API key. So let's go to our file explorer. Let's go to our user folder, users, and look for your username. Alright, so now let's create a new folder called .openai. Go in that folder, make a new text document called auth.json, and make sure it actually changes to a JSON source file. Alright, let's go in there, edit with Notepad. Alright, so let's go back to our saving the credentials. Paste that in. Here's how it should look like. Let's just delete this organization part along with this comma back here. We don't really need that. Alright, and let's take our OpenAI API key. Inside the quotation marks, paste it in. Make sure the quotation marks are still there. Hit Control S to save it. We can exit that out now. So now we can go back to Unity inside this folder. Double click this ChatGPT sample scene, press play, and now it works. So there you have it, ChatGPT inside Unity, and you can make some pretty cool games with this. Additionally, if you're planning on making a game with this, you can go into this ChatGPT script and change this prompt right here to be whatever you want. Like role play as a mage. In my example, I use this to create a game about convincing people to join a school club that you can play now for free at sustainableinteractives.org.